Welcome to my React course. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything with the theory and the practice. So first, we will dive into theory part. So what is React? Why we doing that things? So why we going to arrange all the things or designing to user interface? Why? I know the reason is to show the people amazing websites. I understand, but we need to understand all of the structure or the construction of this frameworks. I mean, like a React. So in this case, I created there such as scenarios during explaining all the codes into VS Code. So you will just I will just explain you like a story, okay? I will tell you these things happen and other things happen and be reading for that this code. So then you will be sure why we're using this codes, okay? So everything is so clear. Also, you can check my GitHub account. You will see there all the files you can access there, and they will be so beneficial because you can just dive into the codes and you can check or you can copy paste in your project. But I mean, don't make copy paste during the studying time. So just take what you need but understand it, okay? If you don't want to write a lot of codes with your hands, okay, you can tag it, but just don't make copy paste. Just try to understand the structure, like why we are using these things, okay? Let's dive into the topic. So as you see, this is our first front-end development with the React. React is a part of JS. I mean, JavaScript. It is a framework. So we have such a limits there, but no worry. I mean, you can do still some jobs there out with the technological companies or startups. So quick start to React and theory overview philosophy. It is our starting point. So we have their installation part. Let me come down. I made a research about React, and I had past experience. I had read some books and yeah, etc. So part one will be quick start to React, and there will be installation part. I will show you how to install the React in your VS Code with the terminal or in the like in the roadmap. First, you need to install Node.js, and after that, we're gonna dive into how to create a React app into our appropriate directory. Okay, our first topic will be creating and structuring components. You will learn about components, nested components, how they work together, how you can nested them like a for loop, for example. You will just learn all of them. The second one is crafting UI with GSX. It is like HTML and JavaScript. You can think like that. So how we putting the things in together, or you can just think in your mind. I mean, we're creating such a variable, and after that, we making like an object, and after that, we accessing each of the object with the first main variable, right? So it is like built-in function method. You will also learn how to access after you create some variable these things into React component. Okay, and we have styling React components, so we can do it in the app.js, which is you will see all of this stuff, or we can separately create such a different files, and we can just say app CSS, and we can put all our codes for the appropriated classes. For example, in this case, classes can be any component that we want to concat into app.js. Anyway, it's just mixing your mind. I know that, but just wait for now, okay? I will tell you all about it. This is just styling our components, our HTML components, okay? JSX, you can think like that. All right, so then we have displaying data in React. So you will already see what is this. I don't want to mix your mind. Conditional rendering, which is how we are rendering to run it out. I will show you. We're using there another one. I mean, like test.js, you can think app test.js. It's just including our rendering point, but we will learn also how to put it in app.js to render it. So then we have dynamic list and data. So I will show you all this structure about how they works and interact interactive components, right? We have also interactive components. I will show you that too. And we have real-time updates with React and exploring React hooks. This is important, guys. These hooks are important. I will show you what is the logic of hooks using in a component structure. Sharing data across components. So I will show you that too. I don't want to dive into them right now, but it is just overview that what we're gonna do together. Okay, you will just learn React, no worry. So just attend first class and see what will happen, what kind of benefit you will get. No worry about it. So yeah, this is our first part into the first topic about quick starting point. Then we will dive deep. I mean we will learn a lot. I mean, designing part and how to make such amazing websites, big websites like startup websites, like startup company websites, or restaurant marketing, or I don't know what you want to do. You can do whatever you want. It was like that. I already completed all of the part this course in this notebook. We will go step by step to be sure what is the next step. Just be in follow and to understand all of the things for the future cases. Okay. Appreciate for that you're watching video right now. So see you in first class. The first class will be about installation and the creating and structuring components. We will do it in VS Code. If you know have VS Code, please go to install VS Code and just wait me. Okay, I will show you all of the things. Thank you. Have a good time.